life insurance myths. Myth number 1, I'm too young for life insurance. May advantage actually kung kumuha ka habang bata. The earlier you get it, the cheaper it is. Isa pa, mas malaki ang chance na ma-approve ka habang bata dahil wala ka pang mga sakit. Myth number 2, it's too expensive. Pangmayaman lang daw ang insurance. Maraming affordable options available gaya ng mga term plans, merong as low as mga 14 pesos per day. Or kung gusto mo ng may investment na kasama, meron ding mga nasa 1,000 to 1,500 per month depende sa factors like age, gender, or smoking habits. Number 3, I don't need it if I'm single. Even if wala kang dependents ngayon, may final expenses ka pa rin na maiiwan if you pass away. Sinong magko-cover nun? Also, baka may plans ka rin to have your own family in the future. Why not get secured now in preparation for them? Number 4, employer-provided insurance is enough. While it is nice benefit, it might not be enough to cover all your needs. Also, pag umalis ka sa trabaho mo, edi wala na yung coverage mo. And number 5, hindi naman makaka-claim dyan eh. Basta po naging honest tayo during the application at naipasa lahat ng requirements ng tama, makaka-claim po tayo. Just last year, Sun Life paid out 5 billion pesos in claims and maturities, fulfilling its promise to its clients. Huwag pong maniniwala sa sabi-sabi lang, you might be missing out on peace of mind that insurance can give you. So don't forget to subscribe and send a message now. Thank you!